You just downloaded EmoteLab or are thinking about purchasing it? Here's a complete guide on how it works and how to use it. Upon opening the program, you will see this screen. I assume there will be more models in the future, but for now select the coffee bean model to begin. Under Character, you can see a bunch of preset characters. This is where we can save our creation after it's done. Click on Clear Character to start customization. On the right side, we can see and search for parts, and right next to it, we can adjust the parts individually. Above those two panels, we can switch between color selection and part selection. The animation panel has 75 animations to choose from, and there's a vast variety of different options. You can zoom in or out on your chibi by using the scroll wheel, and you can freely move it around by pressing the wheel. By moving your mouse to the top left corner, a little menu appears to quickly fit to screen, zoom in or out, and rotate. Let's start creating our character. With the arrows, we can scroll through each setting. While going through the settings, you will come across strange-looking parts. This is not a bug. They are the editable texture files to customize your character even further. You can find them by going to the Color Selection tab, and on the bottom right you can see Open Custom Texture folder. You can find all textures in this folder, while number 10 has the guide for the custom textures. I will be going over the custom textures more in detail later. After you selected all the parts you want, you can change their attributes by clicking the corresponding checkmark in the Adjustments tab and change the slider to wherever you want. Now that that's done, we can get to coloring. Check the box of the part that you want to color and adjust the color slider on the right. There's also a hex code, so you can color pick from your OC using an online tool or a color picker. I am using Windows Power Tools. For the hair, you may have come across these black and white ombre-colored parts. You can create a color fade by clicking twice on the checkbox. You will now see that you have two color options to change. In the color selection panel, you will see the option to change the color of animation parts, like the light sticks, for example. The customization here is basically endless. Once you have created your character, you should go ahead and click on Save. Name it, and now you can go back, create new animations, or change your character at any time. Go through the animations and export them one by one. Remember, you can zoom in and out or move your character as you wish. In the settings section, you can change the export settings. There are some presets like for Discord or Twitch, or you can manually change the export resolution. Now let's talk about custom textures. Open the custom textures folder and make a backup of all the files somewhere else. Then you can go ahead and edit the files in an image editing software. You can use Photoshop, GIMP, or Procreate like me. You just need to make sure the program you're using can export the file in a PNG format with a transparent background. You can choose to edit the color of existing parts, or you can create a new part using the Custom Textures guide page. That's what I will be doing in this example. I created a new layer on top of the guide and started creating a new body form, then colored it in and cut out the specific guide section below it. I made sure the background layer is disabled and exported the file as PNG. It's important to note that the file name and rotation of the image need to match in order for this to work. Now we can go ahead and replace the file in the folder. Make sure you're importing it into the Custom Textures folder. Go back into the program and under the color panel in the bottom right corner, select Use Custom Textures. Reload textures and then make sure the custom texture is selected in the part selection panel. If the custom texture is showing, you did everything correctly. Make sure you save your character with the Use Custom Texture option enabled. Be sure to have a backup of your custom textures as well. And that's it. If you need help, you can join their Discord or check the written guide on the EmoteLab.app website. I will be linking both down below. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Beefy, and I see you in my next video or live on stream. Bye.